Okay, Mrs. Lee baked some cookies. She gave 1/5 of them to her neighbors and packed 1/3 of the remaining for her son's party. Okay, this is actually the keyword remaining, and then it will tell you that the concept is actually remainder concept. Yeah, when she baked another 594 cookies, she found that she now had twice the number of cookies she had baked at first. Yeah, in this case, you want to take notes that there is this last part which tells you a change, and you always relate back to what she had now, also known as what she had left, and relate back to how many she has had at first. Yeah, so there's this part that will relate to what she had now bracket left to at first. Okay, so how many cookies did Mrs. Lee give to her neighbors? When it comes to remaining keyword, you know that the concept is actually remainder concept. So there are two methods here, branching and pull down. And when you see this last part, you have to use branching. Again, it's not compulsory. I prefer branching because it can help me to make use of this part called the total fraction to solve quickly. Yeah. So how does branching work? You can see that it's like a fallen tree branch lying on its sides. So 1 branch out to 1/5 from here, and then 1 whole minus 1/5 will give you 4/5, which is the remainder, and branch out again to give you 1/3, and then 2/3 here. As for son, and this is left. Okay, so this is not the actual fraction, yeah, because this is the fraction of the remainder. To find the total fraction, you need to take 4/5 times 1/3 as well as 4/5 times 2/3. Yeah, since this last sentence relate between what is left with at first, which is here, so we need to find the actual fraction, which is 2/3 times 4/5, which will give you 8/15. Okay, yeah, then there's a change here which give you 594, and then the new total is actually 30 units. Okay, how do I get that? Because do you agree that this 15 is actually the what you have at first, which is everything stems off from 15/15. Let me repeat. This is the total units, the actual units, which is 15/15. Yeah, then it's being subdivided into different section, like for neighbors and son and left. Yeah, so because it says that the new total is double, so I just take 15 times 2, which is 30 units. Yeah, so from 8U, which is what is left, to 30 units, there's a jump of 22 units, and this 22 units increased because of an increase of 594 cookies. Yep, cookies. So 22 units is 594, so 1U is 27. And then how many cookies did Mrs. Lee give to her neighbor? Again, 1/5 should be expressed under 1/15. No, 1/5 should be expressed as 3/15 to be consistent, because this is based on 15. Yeah, so to get the same denominator, you times 3, you get 3/15, and then so it's 3 units here, so we have 1U times 3, which is 81 cookies.